All
right. Get the airplane overhead.
That's pretty awesome.
Let's see where the boat is.
Just make friends with them, honey.
Right? Where's he camping? Look at it go up. Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah.
180 actually isn't bad. I thought
No.
I was going to say more.
I keep losing the plane.
Boat's pretty fast.
Yeah.